Okay, for this one, we're going to do the alpine butterfly knot, which is simply making this for as simple as this by making a loop right here on your hand, and the second one right over here on your fingertips. The third one should cross on your hand like this. There should be a cross right here. So what you want to do is pull this downwards, then insert it inward around the X. Then what you want to do is pull this out and let it slip out of your hand like this. Okay, what you want to do is pull this strong enough, and you have the alpine butterfly loop knot. What this does is, well, it's quite strong, stronger than your usual figure 8 loops or a bowline. It's pretty tough, like so, but even while it's tough, it's quite easy to untie it. All you have to do is just pull this out, like so, to have the loop get out. Once it's out, it's finally untied, like so.
Good morning, good evening, everyone, and I'm going to teach you how to do a fisherman's knot, like this. We need to start with the length of rope or any kind of rope. We only need the ends of this rope, so next is take end of your left hand and cross it over to the top at the end of your right hand. And then, take that same end and bring it behind the other piece of rope under and up just like that. Then take the end and get it behind the loop, and through the loop, just pull it out to tighten it. And then let's proceed to the other side. Just like before, do it again but reverse. Tighten it, nice. And lastly, pull on this end so bring the knots closer together.
My name is James Brian Nazario po. So, tuturo po kayo kung paano gumawa ng slip knot po. So, first, syempre, kailangan nyo po siya tali. Kasunod naman, so, ganito yung tsura po sa first step nyo sa gagawin slip knot. So, ganito po siya. Like that. Yung dulo niya dito, si maiksi lang dito. Tapos yung mahaba dito sa dulo niya. So, like that. So, ganito siya yung tsura niya. Kasunod naman po, ikot nyo po siya tali para mukha siyang bilog. Isang beses lang po siya, ganito siya, isang beses lang siya. Tapos next naman, yung itong tali na itong mahaba, ipasok sa butas. Pagpasok nyo sa butas, hilahin nyo to, yung maiksi na tali. Hilahin nyo lang, so ito yung result niya. So ito na po yung slip knot niya. So ganito siya, so nakabuhol po siya. So ganito, tas malaking bilog niya. So ganito yung tsura niya. So, ayun po yung slip knot nyo. Slip knot tips. Thank you.
So for this one, we're going to do the marlin spike hitch. It is a temporary knot to attach a rod with a rope so it would form a handle. So what we want to do is to make a simple loop like this, okay? Just like this, and then with the one forward, we pull this behind the loop like so. It would look like this. And then we push this in, and there would be this little tongue in which you can insert a rod. Let's use my finger for example. Let's put it in here, and then just pull both ends together, and so you achieve marlin spike hitch. It's a it's a it's intended as a temporary hitch, hence it's not really that stable. It could break easily, but it is mostly used to again attach a rod to a rope in order to form a handle.
So timber hitch, traditionally used for tying a length of rope around a pole or bundle of logs. The more strain that is put on the hitch, the tighter it grips. What are the good points of this knot? First, it is quick to tie. Second, it never jams. And third, it is easy to untie. First, you need to go around this and put this around this rope right here, this end. Then you will make this, and you need to tie it around 3 times. And you need to pull this time. And there you have it, timber hitch.
Hello, my name is Sebastian and today I will teach you all how to make a bowline. Ano? Ayaw nyo matuto? Well, too bad, kasi gagawin na natin to. So, first what we're gonna do is, you see this long line of rope? Ito ang gagawin natin. Una, hold ko lang to dito, and gagawa tayo isang edge dito. Ibubuhol natin ganito, and now kailangan ko hawak. Just gonna hold this, give me a second, and then we're gonna grab this end, then papasok natin sa butas. Just like this, and then kita niya to, mula dito sa side na to, sa likod nito, iikot siya ng ganito, and then Christ, ang bigat kasi hirap dito. There you go. Then iikot siya ganito, and then babalik siya ulit sa butas like so, and then you will pull, boom, and yan, may bowline na kayo. I know this looks something like a something very big, but trust me, it just looks like one, but it's not useful. This is mostly used for securing a loop. It cannot loosen or tighten, and that is how you make a bowline. And you can trust me because I have glasses on.
Today guys, I will demonstrate how to do a rip knot. It is often remembered by the phrase left over, right and under, just like this, left over, right and under, then right over, left, under, just like this. Yeah, as you can see, left, and that's all. And the rip knot or square knot is an ancient and simple binding knot. It is used to secure rope or line around an object. It is sometimes also referred as a Hercules knot. And that's all. Thank you guys.
Step 1. Cross the end of the rope around the pole and over the top of the remaining rope, making a circle. Be sure to give your circle a very long tail. You'll need some extra length to complete the knot. Step 2. Bring the end of the rope or the tail up through the loop from behind. Step 3. Do the same thing again, passing the end through the loop second time in the same direction. Step 4. Pull down the parallel alongside the remaining rope. Step 5. Make another circle, but this time across the end, behind the long stretch of remaining rope. Step 6. Hold the end up and pass it through the lower loop, this time from the front. Step 7. Pull the end tight. The remaining loop should slide easily up and down the line.
I am Aaron Madrelejos and I will be showing you how to do sheet bend. Form a loop in the end of one rope. Pass the free end of the rope to be joined under the opening loop around both parts of the rope and back under itself. Pull all four ends to tighten.
This knot presenting is called ship shank. It is a type of knot that is used to shorten a rope or take up slack. The ship shank knot is not stable. It will fall apart under too much load or too little load. The knot has several features which allow a rope to be shortened. It provides two loops, one at each end of the knot which can be used to pass another rope through. The knot remains somewhat secure under tension. The coarser the rope, the more secure it is. The knot falls apart easily when tension is removed.